Offer lawn care or landscaping services in your neighborhood. Rent out your car on a car-sharing platform for extra income. Complete small tasks or gigs on freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Participate in paid focus groups or online user testing for businesses. Drive for ride-sharing or delivery services. Sell handmade or unique crafts on Etsy or other online marketplaces. Sell items you no longer need or use on online marketplaces. Do voiceover work for videos, audiobooks, or commercials. Offer translation services for businesses or individuals. Offer resume writing or career coaching services. Rent out your camera or other photography equipment to other photographers. Use a rewards credit card for everyday purchases to earn cash back or travel rewards.